In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp to GoHighLevel with one click. First, open your browser, head to the official GoHighLevel website, and sign in to your account. That lands you on the main dashboard where all your locations and tools live. Make sure you're in the workspace you want to use for WhatsApp, because we'll assign the number a little later. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. If your menu is collapsed, expand it so Settings is visible. Inside Settings, choose Integrations. This is where GoHighLevel keeps all the native connections for messaging and other services. Scroll or search until you find WhatsApp, usually grouped under Messaging Integrations. Click Connect or Connect WhatsApp, depending on what your screen shows. Before you click, have your phone handy with WhatsApp already signed in, and make sure your camera and internet are working. The connection uses WhatsApp's secure QR flow, so your phone needs to be online during setup. A QR code will appear on your screen. On your phone, open WhatsApp. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Link Devices, and tap Link a Device. On Android, open the menu, choose Link Devices, then link a device. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer and let it scan. If the code doesn't catch right away, brighten your screen or refresh the page to generate a new code and try again. After a brief moment, your WhatsApp account links automatically. Keep the phone connected to the internet so the handshake completes. Back in GoHighLevel, look for the status indicator to switch to connected. If you're watching this in a browser and need the official site link, it's listed at the top of the description. With the connection live, assign the connected WhatsApp number to the correct location or sub-account. Choose the number you just linked and save. This ensures the right team members can send and receive messages from within that workspace. Finally, run a quick test. Open Conversations in GoHighLevel, select a contact, and send a short message. Something like, "Test message from GoHighLevel." Confirm it appears in WhatsApp on your phone, and reply from the phone to verify the message flows back into GoHighLevel. And that's it. You've connected WhatsApp to GoHighLevel in just a few clicks, confirmed the status, assigned it to your workspace, and tested the flow. Thanks for watching.